Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olga if you're new here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 projects from trash to treasure. They all turned out so good and I can't wait to share those with you. Before I start, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below and let me know which of them you liked the most. Now let's jump right into our first DIY adventure and it's Faux stone vase. So I took maple leaf syrup plastic jar and removed the label. Then I cut the upper part of the jar and now I got the perfect shape for my vase. Here you can see me sanding the parts that stick out, however you can skip it as it won't be seen. All that's left to do is to take any color that you like and paint the vase. I took Rust-Oleum Chalked Ultra Matte Coastal Blue paint and mixed it with baking soda until I got thick consistency. I used tapping motion to cover the entire jar. This will give you a stone textured look. I gave it 2 coats of paint. And voila, it's done. It's so easy and simple to do and you get amazing high-end home decor for free. For our next DIY adventure, I used a big glass jar and raffia paper ribbon. On bottom of my jar, there are sticking out round-shaped parts, so I glued raffia paper next to one part and skipped the other one, and so on. The length of the strip should be just a little bit longer than the jar. To give the vase a finished look, I glued 3 raffia strips at the bottom, one after another. Next, I'm gluing the strips to the top of the jar. And again, to give it a finished look, I glued the strips inside of the jar and cut the axes. Then I took cork ribbon and glued it from inside and outside. To give the vase even more interesting look, I weaved 2 raffia strips at the bottom part, 2 in the middle and 2 at the top. final look of BOHO style vase, and I'm so happy that I was able to create this room decoration from trash, and it turned out really good looking. For our last Trash to Treasure DIY adventure, I created farmhouse style wall clock with spring touch. I took a cheap clock from IKEA and golden round origami paper, also from IKEA, and placed the paper on the back side of the clock and pressed on it to get the mark where I need to cut. Then I touched the paper at the back side and cut the edges, so that the paper doesn't stick out. And then I took styrofoam and 1.5 package of craft sticks. I cut the ends of the sticks to make them straight and glued them in a brick wall pattern. And now it's time to trim all the sticking out parts of the sticks. Next, I'm going to take care of the styrofoam edges. To cover them, I decided to use adhesive jute tape. Before this part, I highly recommend to sand the edges first. Then I painted the sticks with linen white chalk paint. This part is better to do also before gluing the tape. After it dried, I took brown cream wax and using dry brush technique I went on top of the white color. First, I removed the paint from the brush and then with leftover paint covered the top to get this look. Before gluing the clock to the sticks, I glued the golden paper to the clock. To glue it, I used E6000 and hot glue. And the final step is to glue the greenery around the clock to give it springy, fresh look. And that is all, you guys. This was my last Trash to Treasure project and I really love how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired. Let me know in the comments down below which of them you liked the most. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Also, click the notification bell so you will be notified each time when a new DIY adventure will be up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on our next DIY adventure. Bye!